Stepping Out is a research project. We are really interested in understanding how people step out of their disciplinary comfort zones. What Stepping Out is trying to achieve is to try to change that behavior so that the disciplines do not just look at it from their own perspective, but to maybe see it from other disciplines' perspective. And in this way, they not only solve the problem, but perhaps also maybe question the problem in the first place. We are very interested in studying port city development in Amsterdam and also in Rotterdam. These places are changing because they are shifting from old industries to new ones. We are particularly interested in how professionals can work together, learn from one another, and step outside of their disciplinary comfort zone when they have to deal with multiple transitions like the housing, energy, water transition at the same time. In Stepping Out, we really work with professional designers, and they have to come in together to actually design perhaps new infrastructure, new sustainable cities. So we'll be following them from day one and actually documenting how they actually deal with the identification of problems. And the goal is to actually create a legacy learning archive. I think it's really interesting that you mentioned this difference in approaches to learning. We can actually document the lessons learned so that the people back in the organizations can take these lessons forward in the future. At the same time, we also develop a Leerhang, and this is a collaboration between us together with the University of Amsterdam and the Rotterdam University of Applied Sciences. And this is really to bring the practitioners from different disciplines so that they can learn from one another. In Stepping Out, we are learning about how to learn, and we think that this is a really important question that we could also learn from across the different projects funded under the Behavior and Transitions program. Yeah, so this would be a really good opportunity for them to step outside of their local context and perhaps their disciplinary boundaries.
And hopefully that will also make them to step out of their comfort zone.
Indeed.